Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. What can be made in real life? Well, stick around and I'll show you. Let's kick things off by generously buttering both sides of the thick spiced fruit loaf. Once every slice is coated, we'll cut off the crusts and transform them into charming rough triangles. And don't forget to preheat your oven to a delightful 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit fan bake. Now in a greased oven-proof dish, we'll arrange these buttery triangles standing tall in rows. Between each layer, we'll scatter plump raisins, infusing each bite with a burst of sweetness. Set this glorious creation aside for a moment. In a bowl, let's bring together the sweet harmony of caster sugar, egg yolks, and eggs. Whisk them together until they become the best of friends, blending into a heavenly mixture. Meanwhile, on a medium-low heat, we'll gently melt the thickened cream and a hint of vanilla essence in a saucepan. As the cream melts, it transforms into a velvety river of pure indulgence. Now comes the magical moment. Pour this luscious cream into the bowl of egg mixture and whisk everything together until they blend seamlessly. To ensure perfection, strain this divine concoction over our awaiting slices of bread, allowing them to soak in the eggy creamy goodness for a tantalizing 20 minutes. Place the oven-proof dish inside the roasting dish and carefully fill the roasting dish halfway with boiling water. This gentle and indirect heat will ensure that our pudding cooks evenly and develops a delightful texture. With great care, cover it loosely with tinfoil. Now into the preheated oven it goes for 15 minutes. Once the timer sings its melodic tune, remove the foil and continue baking for an additional 20 minutes. But wait, we're not done yet. It's time for the grand finale. Glaze the top of our pudding with a generous layer of citrus marmalade, adding a zesty and sticky touch. Back into the oven it goes for a mere 3 minutes, allowing the marmalade to caramelize and create a tantalizing sweet and tangy crust. Remove our delectable creation from the water bath and set it aside, ready to be served up with your choice of topping. If you've enjoyed this tantalizing journey, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and show some love with a like. By the way, another fantastic video on how to make banana cake that I'm sure you'll adore. Until our next culinary escapade, enjoy the kitchen.